Hi everybody, it is Mohammed here. Welcome here to Easy Geeky Tube. Today we're going to talk about this little thing, my favorite thing. It's the Apple AirTag. It's a little tracker that you can plug it into your backpack, to your keys. Like for example, I do have this here. You can just put it inside it and attach it to your keychain or something. It's very helpful. In the iPhone you can track it precisely, so you can have the meters and the directions, the feet where you're going to find this item. So for example, if you're like me, just losing items, like for example your keys around inside the home somewhere, so it's going to be easy for you to find it. That's with the precise location. And also for the location in general, you can just track your item. If you leave it inside different kind of street or something, you lose it, or somebody just stole your item or something, you can just track where your item is now and possibly get it. And also I would like to talk about how to reset it, because it stopped working for me once. So the way you reset this item is, so you just need to press and rotate to the left like this. This way you're going to take off the battery. Now you're going to put it back again and take it off 5 times, and you're going to hear the same sound until you hear a different sound. So let's try. So the first time, one, take it off, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Look, it's kind of different sound. So you put it back again, you rotate to the right, and now you're able to connect it again. So you just bring it close to your phone after you reset it to reset it up. You press connect, will pop up on your phone, and then you select a name for the AirTag. So for example, this is for a camera. Select the Apple ID, and it's setting up the AirTag again. Then you wait for it for a bit just to complete the setup. Here we go, until you hear that sound. You press done. Well, I hope that was a fast explanation about this AirTag and how you reset it up. And if you guys have any question, let me know down in the comments, and let me know also your thoughts if Apple is going to release a new AirTag soon or not. And if you guys are interested in more Apple related products, any software engineering, computer science tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my tutorials. Until next Sunday, see you then. Bye bye. Actually